Hey, Andrew and Wade. This is Scott with Impact Latent SEO. I was talking to Wade about being a BNI and how I've been helping some auto glass companies, Andrew, and making this video to kind of show you what I could possibly do for you guys. And if you guys like what you see, then we could continue on, or if not, no harm, no foul. So, I usually start with your website, go through Google Ads, and then Google Business Profiles, and like different rankings and how you could rank all the different things that I do. So, starting with your website, I'd love you guys' logo, and that is a sweet truck wrap. So, really like those. But one thing that I always recommend for potential people is to get more content on your website. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, that usually means a service and a location. So, windshield replacement, Shakopee, Minneapolis, whatever you want to say, that's kind of what I say. That's what I call buyer intent keywords. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying main 1 600, that could be a buyer intent keyword as well, because it counts as content behind the video, or behind the image. And then I use a third-party tool called Ahrefs. This will show me your analytics on what you're setting. The DR and the UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. And you're currently at 0.1 and 4, and that's due to your referring pages and domains. And if you don't know what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And then it looks like you're being indexed for 59 keywords, and you're getting about 4 people to your website each and every month. This is a third-party tool, so it's not exact, but when it's that low, that usually means your website's acting more like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead-generating tool. And looking at some of the keywords that you're being indexed for, auto glass repair, Minneapolis, there's 150 searches, but you're on the second page of Google, so you're only getting one person to your website. Auto glass in Minnesota, 20 searches, you're on the end of first page, so you're getting one. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords: auto glass replacement, windshield replacement, and then a location, auto glass repair. Window chip repair near me is a national keyword, so you could be ranking for that, but if I'm in Utah, that doesn't really count because I'm not where you're at, so I wouldn't really be a potential client. And then I did just look up windshield replacement Shakopee. That's just where it said you are located in BNI, Wade, so just letting you know. But right here is where I've helped a lot of auto glass companies, and I'll show you the campaign here in just a second. But it looks like Safe Light's your only competitor here. When you have windshield replacement and Shakopee all in the ad itself somewhere, especially in the headlines, not just down here in the descriptions, usually you get a lot higher click-through rate. And when you thematically group them, so windshield replacement, Shakopee, windshield replacement, but instead of windshield repair, those are two different ad groups that I would do because they're themed differently. And same with auto glass replacement and auto glass repair. They would all have their own ad groups. And so you have really high click-through rates here, but then you get to the landing page, and the landing page should have one function. It should be to contact you. So you need like a big click-to-call button, maybe a form submit right here, and then what you do and where you do it right here on the landing page. The rest of the landing page is going to be call to actions and trust factors, how your services work, what you guys do, the different types, the process if there's one, that type of thing. I don't really see a Google Business Profile, which is kind of weird. So the windshield guys is the only one that comes up for this particular buyer intent keyword. But to rank for Google Business Profiles, you do want to make sure to get reviews. I have a cool little trick that you can ask your clients and have a QR code to give you a review right when you're done so that they do it right then and there. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is really beneficial because Google is a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your location, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the GBP, ranking for the Google Business Profile, you'll get anywhere from 30 to 40% of the traffic going here. You get about 20% of traffic stops at ads, and then the rest of it goes down into ranking websites. And it looks like Rapid Glass is one of your top competitors here. Oh, I did forget to show you this. This is one of my ad campaigns that I'm doing right now. Currently have a 10.3% click-through rate. This is for the whole month. At a 37% conversion rate, almost 38, and they got 300 conversions and 360 phone calls. So that's just kind of how I've been helping auto glass companies. But we're going back to the Rapid Glass. This is one of your top competitors, like I said. Based off of this, there's not a lot of content on this page. So like when you start to have those higher buyer intent keywords, the backlinks and citations, you're going to start to outrank these guys. And I just did Minneapolis. I didn't know exactly where you guys are. I couldn't really find it there on the GBP. But looking here, there's over 800 searches each month for some sort of windshield replacement or auto glass repair in Minneapolis. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Andrew and Wade, I hope that this video is beneficial. I look forward to talking to you guys further, and give me a call when you watch this video. Thanks, have a great day.